Frankie help you open it, and I'm gonna go cook dinner.
Hey, Prudence. Prudence likes your toys.
Open it.
Okay.
Look at all my stuff.
Did you see your new big princess bed? Go look at your big princess bed. Lucy, look. Look at your new big princess bed. That's all your bed. Whoa! Get up there and let me see you. Let me see you in that princess
You
bed.
need to talk to Nana and tell her about all your toys.
You got new Barbies?
Hold on, here's Lucy. Tell her about your stuff. It's Nana.
I'm not North Carolina now.
Tell her what you got.
Tell her your stuff.
I got all my stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Okay. I'm North Carolina.
What city?
Yeah. Mhm. Yep. Bye-bye.
Here you go. She gave me the phone. Oh, she's freaking. She's freaking. It's hilarious. She doesn't have a clue what to do. Like, it's too much. I know, I heard her. You ought to heard her earlier. I got her. I'm actually videotaping her now, but earlier I got a videotape of her, and she said, "Look at all my stuff."